supper is cooking. Hey there guys, good evening. So, yes, you saw the thumbnail. Today we are finally putting some of the cars on display. I am so excited for this, by the way. So, these set of wood, the shelves, is the first set that's going to go on the wall. Look at it, it's corner shelves that I've custom made. First set, may I add. And the longest one, which is this set here. Whoa. This set here is going to go in the middle. And then that set's going to go in the very top. So there'll be three. So one set's, it's not going to be that well, but I'm just using it as an example. So first set in the corner there, next set, the third set, etc. Let's get to work. You guys, would you look at this? Oh my god, they look so good. Woo! Yes! Now, the shelves are going to be, and the next set is going to be starting here, just above this poster. Or I should maybe leave a wee gap so that I can have purple surrounding it. But anyway, so yeah, so the next set is going to be roughly about here. And then the next set will be here. Yeah. You guys, would you look at this? The cars can finally, properly be on display. I'm so happy. Man. Honest to God, you guys. We finally got the shelves up. So, the plan with the shelves is obviously to display the cars, but the shelves are only for 1 to 24 scale. That's the only scale that's going to be on these shelves. So we need to collect more. See you in the next one.